Hey everybody, it's John Peluso, Microsoft Regional Director and Chief Product Officer at AvePoint. Man, it's been so long. I am so excited to get out to Chicago for SP Fest Chicago at the end of July. See all of you, have those wonderful conversations in person, as well as collaborate with my fellow presenters and the event organizers. It's been way too long. And on the topic of collaboration, I want to talk to you about a workshop I'll be delivering that I'm really excited about as well. It's called How to Make It Easy to Do the Right Thing, and it focuses on building a sustainable adoption strategy for Microsoft Teams. In order to do that, we have to give everybody what they need. We've got to give our business users, our information workers, a vision of what transformed modern collaboration can look like. We've got to give our security and compliance teams the assurance that we can enforce the policies and security controls and reporting and auditing that they need. And of course, as admins, we need tools to manage at scale. The workshop will cover all of those areas and a few more. I'd like to leave you with a thought as you think about this topic and as a lead into what we'll be covering in the session. As we begin to go out, thank goodness we'll all be going out. How do you know where to park when you get to the hotel or to the restaurant or to the mall? God forbid. There's lines on the ground. That's where we start. Guidance to users for sustainable adoption of a parking lot or of Microsoft Teams. We'll take that analogy and we'll extend it all the way through our workshop. Again, I'm really excited to be out with you for this workshop, to have it finally be an in-person event. And come on out, say hi, learn a bunch of stuff, and enjoy a full week of great content. I've got a lot of sessions, but there's so much more value from all of my fellow presenters. Looking forward to seeing you in July.